Good day everyone, my name is John Lester A. Madula, coming from the B Scream 3 Alpha, and today we're going to talk about the modern Lafayette polygraph. So, a modern Lafayette polygraph is a computerized system that records and analyzes multiple physiological signals simultaneously. Unlike early mechanical polygraph that use inks, pen, and paper charts, today's system use digitalized sensors, specialized softwares to collect and interpret data in real time. So, one of the most widely used system is the LX5000, known for its precision, portability, and advanced data analytics features. So, instead of simply detecting lies, the system measures physiological changes that may occur when a person experiences stress or cognitive load during questioning. So, what are the parts and functions of a modern Lafayette polygraph? So, first, the main polygraph unit. So, this includes the computer and the software. So, what are its functions? First, this is the brain of the system. It runs specialized software that collects, displays, and analyzes all physiological data. So the second part is the respiration pneumograph or the breathing sensors. So what are its functions? So basically these are the soft elastic tube placed around the chest and abdomen. So they measure the breath rate, the depth of breathing, and the changes in respiratory patterns. So why it matters? So stress and cognitive load during questioning can cause changes in breathing, which the polygraph records. The third component is the cardiovascular sensors or the blood pressure and heart rate cuff. So what are its functions? So this cuff wraps around the upper arm or finger and continuously monitor heart rate and blood pressure changes throughout the exam. So heart activity often changes when someone experiences stress and which the system tracks. So the fourth, the electrodermal or the galvanic skin response sensors. So what are its functions? So a small sensor or like clip or electrodes are placed on the fingertips to measure sweat glands activity. So technically called the galvanic skin response or the GSR. So, why is it important? So, when a person is emotionally stimulated or stressed, the skin's electrical conductance changes. This gives the examiner's data on sympathetic nervous system's response. So, the fifth part of the modern Lafayette polygraph is the motion activity sensor. So, also known as anti-cheat sensor. So, what is the function of the anti-cheat sensor? So, this sensor detects the subtle body and hand movements during the exam. Movement can interfere with data integrity and so it helps the examiner know if the subject is shifting or trying to mask reactions. So the sixth part of the Lafayette photograph is the cables and the connectors. So basically the function is this simply links all the physical sensors to the main unit. Even though they look simple, good quality cables ensure clean and accurate signal transmissions.
Happy, happy, happy.